Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Azure Synapse Analytics for big data exploration. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Azure Synapse Analytics, log into the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, navigate to the Create a Resource section. Search for Azure Synapse Analytics in the Marketplace. Select Azure Synapse Analytics from the results and click Create. In the Basics tab, enter your subscription details. Choose or create a new resource group for your Synapse workspace. Provide a unique name for your workspace. Select a region that is closest to your users. Now, move to the Security tab. Decide whether to enable Managed Virtual Network for enhanced security. Configure your SQL Administrator credentials by entering a username and strong password. Continue to the Storage tab. Select an existing storage account or create a new one for your Synapse workspace. Make sure to link your storage account for data exploration. Next, go to the Networking tab. Decide if you want to enable or disable public access to your workspace. In the Review plus Create tab, review all your configurations. Once confirmed, click Create to deploy your Azure Synapse workspace. After deployment, navigate to your Synapse workspace. In the workspace, click on Open Synapse Studio. This will launch a new session of Synapse Studio, your integrated workspace. In Synapse Studio, access the Data section from the left pane. Connect to your data sources by selecting Linked Services. Add a new linked service for the data you wish to analyze. Ensure you correctly configure authentication type and connection settings. After setting up the data source, proceed to create a new SQL pool. Go to the Manage tab on the left sidebar. Select SQL Pools and click on Plus New. Fill in the SQL pool details such as name and performance level. Click Create to provision your SQL pool. Once provisioned, you can create databases within your SQL pool. In the Data section, under your SQL pool, click on Plus New Database. Provide a name and configure database settings as required. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.